This is Matt, and this will be another video on how to use Terminal for different tasks. So right now I'm going to cover touch and RM. So touch is just a way that we can create a file right here in Terminal on the Mac, or any kind of command line for that matter. And then RM stands for remove, so we can literally remove a file that way as well. So if you're unfamiliar with Terminal, if you don't know how to get it up, I've got some of the stuff right here from a previous video. I'm just going to leave that open right here, as you'll see. Now, if you want to find Terminal, you're just going to click on apps at the bottom here in your dock on your Mac, and then we're just going to type in ter or term, and it'll come up with Terminal, and then we just open Terminal by clicking there. So Terminal is now open. I'm in this working directory logos. You can see here I CD'd into the desktop first of all, so I just opened this right here. This just shows you this is just kind of a unique key for the actual session right here in Terminal. So in the command line interface, I've CD'd into desktop, so that meant that I changed directory. Then I CD'd into logos, which again I've changed directory. Then I did pwd, which just prints the working directory, so we see it there. And then ls, that stands for list, and I've listed all of the files and folders that are in this directory, which is another way of saying folder. So in the logos folder or directory. Now what I will do is I will show you how to use touch and RM, which is the main subject of this video. So all we do for touch is we're just going to type in touch, and then we're going to name the file. So we can create any kind of file type here, but I'm just going to go for file name one.txt. So .txt, txt is a text file, so it's just touch space file name one.txt, and that will create this text file in this particular directory. So I just hit return, and that has been created. Now if you want to do multiple files, so again we're just dealing with text files right now just to keep it simple, but you can do touch, and we can do file one.txt space, then we can do file two.txt space. So I'm just showing you that you can create multiple files all in one go right here. So that will create three text files right there. Now RM stands for remove. If I want to actually remove, let's just do this one first. This is file name one.txt. If you remember, we go RM space, and then we're just going to type the exact name of the file. Now if you might be copy and pasting in a command here from somewhere else, so you don't necessarily have to type all this out, but that will remove that particular file when I hit return. And then we can do all of those. We can also remove multiple. And in fact, that one wouldn't have been created there, actually. It didn't throw an error, but that one would have been created because I actually I didn't put the T at the end of that particular file name right there. So we won't actually delete that one. We'll delete two.txt, so just notice that. And we'll also delete file three.txt. A little bit sloppy of me there. But that is just a way that we can actually remove multiple files in one go. So maybe you have a whole bunch of files you want to remove. There's lots of things that you can do with Terminal. This is just a very simplistic view of how you can sort of move around the Terminal, how you can move around working directories and do different things. But we can create files, we can remove files, and we can do a whole bunch more stuff with Terminal. I've got lots more videos on that, how you can do more wild and crazy things you can do with Terminal, and just make your life a lot easier by doing everything on the command line, or at least as much as you can on the command line. Yeah, I've been Matt Crawford. This has been a video on Terminal, how we can do touch to create files, and how we can do RM remove to remove files, aka delete files. If you found this video useful, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.